Hello everyone, I am a complete set of electric power technology. Today, workers reported that a batch of circuit breakers here could not be closed normally after being separated and tripped. Now it seems that the handle of this circuit breaker is inclined. It is not straight. It should be that there is something wrong with the installation of the release on his side.
Let's take it out and recard it. Let's take a look. After restuck, the circuit breaker on the left will return to normal.
This is a circuit breaker of Changshu's DH3 series. Although these common release devices look similar, the way they are installed in each series and brand is still slightly different. Therefore, we workers should pay attention when installing this release. If you really don't know, you can look at its instructions. Next, we will remove the circuit breaker of this release from another cabinet to show you what the problem is. Let's take a look at the side of this release. It has a schematic diagram of installation. After removing this release, there is no problem with the closing of this circuit breaker. But let's take a look at the schematic diagram here. His drawing is quite detailed. This series of release is installed on the left side of the circuit breaker. There are two gray buckles up and down to fix the release and the body of the circuit breaker. Let's take a look at this point of the release again. There was a problem with the position of this point when it was installed just now. When the worker installed it, he inserted this point into the handle of the circuit breaker, which would cause the circuit breaker to fail to close. In addition, when our circuit breaker trips, we can determine whether the circuit breaker trips due to separation trip or because of overload or short circuit of the circuit breaker through the red indicator light of the force splitting release. This video is over. Thank you for watching.